Spring is right around the corner, and for the past few months I've been in a rut. I miss the warm air, the blooming flowers, the fun activities, and the beautiful colors. In this video, we are going to get back into the spring spirit together, which will hopefully help me find my inner self and become truly happy again.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
It is 54 degrees in New Jersey, and I already feel myself getting into that spring summer vibe, and I'm so excited. Right now we're going to Target. It is March 8th when I'm filming this, and most of this video is going to be filmed tomorrow because it's a Saturday and I have the whole day to dedicate it to actually getting in the right spirit. But I wanted to film this part today because I'm going to Target and I really want to make the Lucky Charms viral cookies that are going around. I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but they just remind me of spring so much, especially because of all the vibrant colors, and I don't know, I'm just really excited to try and make them. So I wanted to start this video now just so I can kind of take you guys along the whole getting in the spring spirit journey together. So that is what we are going to do. It is about to be sunset and it's so pretty outside. I'm so excited. It was such a beautiful day. Even though I worked all day, it was like nice being able to see the sun and just knowing that it was a nice temperature outside. I'm wearing this pretty spring pink color sweatshirt. It is from Vivacious and I'm obsessed with it, and I thought it was perfect for the vibe of this video. So the plan is we're gonna go to Target. We are going to get the stuff for these Lucky Charm cookies, and also might do a little shopping when I'm there because I love Target. I also do have to go grocery shopping, so I might do that, but we'll see how I'm feeling. And then we are going to come home and actually make the cookies, and I'm so excited. I think I said I'm so excited 80 times already, so let's just go. I forgot to mention I'm going to be listening to a spring high vibe playlist while I drive there, and my windows will in fact be down because it is so nice out. I can't stop talking about it. And I'm really upset because it's 5 p.m. already and I want to be able to go on a walk and stuff like that, but it's okay because we're gonna do that tomorrow and I'm really excited. So windows are down. I'm going to put on this little playlist that I made, and we are going to have a good spring vibing session, screaming music while we drive to Target. I swear whenever I go into Target, I come out hours later, like it's so bad, but I'm so happy with what I just found. I always like to look at the clothing section because Target's clothes have been so cute recently, and this dress went viral on TikTok and I've been looking for it for weeks and literally it's been sold out. Please tell me this doesn't scream spring to you. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. I was on the phone with my grandma and I was like, I'm so happy right now. I found the dress. So I got it and I'm very excited to wear this on like a tulip farm or something like that. I just have such cute picture ideas and outfit ideas for this dress and I'm so excited that I found it. Everything else I got is actually for baking and making a candy salad. So I got the marshmallows for the cookies, and then I got the Lucky Charms as well because the recipe calls for these marshmallows and then also these marshmallows as well. And then I got two candies. So I got the Sour Patch Bunnies, which looked so cute, and then I got the Jolly Rancher jelly beans because I need to add candy to my candy salad and I love these. I'm going to head home now. I have to eat dinner and then we're going to make these Lucky Charm cookies. I'm very excited to try these because I think they're gonna be really good. If you are wondering the ingredients, I got it from this girl's Instagram. I will tag her down below. It's Food Therapy with Meg. Let's go home. I'm gonna eat dinner and then we're gonna make these cookies.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever, 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 forever.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day now, and I am so excited about those cookies. They taste so good, and the consistency was just like amazing. It was kind of like it just melted in your mouth. Oh my god, it was so good, and I cannot wait to make them for all of March, basically. Next thing we are going to do, now that it is the next day, is we are going to decorate my apartment for spring. I went to Target. I do want to go to TJ Maxx in this video just to look for a few more things, but I am really happy with what I found, and I'm gonna quickly go through what I did get. First, I wanted to show you guys my little hair. So I'm wearing this flower clip. I'm not really sure if you can see it, but I got these off Amazon and they are so cute. They come in a pack of 6, and this is another one, for example. I just thought this was so adorable and screamed spring. I usually don't wear my hair in claw clips just around the house. I'll usually just wear them if I'm going to the beach or I want my hair out of my face, but I remembered I had these and I was like, those are so cute. Like, that's perfect for this video. So I had to put that in my hair. Going on to my Target haul. So I don't have that many things, but I do want to show you just a few things that I got because I want to put them up and just really get into that spring spirit. The first thing I got is this beautiful wreath. It has little Easter eggs and little daisies, and I just thought it was beautiful to put in my bathroom. Right now, the wreath on my bathroom door is like all wintry, and it's just not giving the right vibe right now. The next thing that I got is this little egg, and again, this is all from like the Target dollar section, so honestly, it really wasn't that expensive. It lights up, which I think is so cute, and it has little flowers on it, and it matches my theme, which is pink. The next thing I got is this little bunny, and it says happy spring. Look at how cute this is. I just think this is so coquette, so cute, and it has such vibrant colors in it that I love it. The next thing I got is this little mushroom. I don't know, I just thought this was really cute as well, and I love it because I like literally anything that lights up, and I just think that is adorable. So got this. I also love the colors on it. I just think it's very vibrant and screaming spring to me. The next 2 things that I got, I actually got a while ago and have had them out for a little bit in my apartment, but I honestly just think they are perfect for spring, and that's why I got them. So I got this little flower vase from the like at home section in Target, and I just thought that these colors were beautiful. I love flowers, so when I saw that, I knew I needed to get it. The last thing I got is this beautiful squishmallow, and it is adorable. Please look at this. I absolutely love it. I love how coquette it is. I just think it's so pretty, and I love to put this on my couch and use it as like a little pillow, and it reminds me perfectly of spring, especially because of the bunny and the little bow. That is everything I have from Target so far, and everything that I have for spring. So as you can see, there's not that many things, so I just want to put these little items around my apartment. Actually, I was supposed to have something else that was related to spring. I do have some other things related to spring, so I got these little eggs. They're like iridescent, and I'm obsessed with them. I got 3 of them just to kind of put around my apartment. They are the perfect spring color, and I love how shiny they are. Now that is everything that I got, and I'm just going to kind of play around with where I want to put these, and hopefully it looks good. Kind of a gloomy day outside, which is kind of upsetting because I was so excited to be able to go on a walk and stuff like that. I actually think we're supposed to get like a March rainstorm. I don't know why I said March rainstorm, but a really bad rainstorm, but it's not coming until a little later. So I want to do my outside activities first, which is really just like going shopping and going to a coffee shop. So I'm gonna go to a coffee shop right now and get a spring little drink. There's a local one in my town, and it's really good. I went there for Christmas and it was amazing. So we are going to go try that. I wanted to straighten my hair, but any single time it rains, my hair gets really frizzy, so I don't even know if it's worth it, but I also can't tell if this looks like acceptable. I don't know. I think it's okay for going to TJ Maxx and a coffee shop, so let's go do that.
Now that I'm outside, it's honestly not that bad. It is still 50 degrees. It's just gloomy. I wish the sun was out, but it really is still reminding me of spring. I was worried that this video was gonna be a little ruined because the whole point of this video is that spring is almost here, but it honestly still does feel warm enough outside for me to consider it spring, if that makes sense, even though it's not spring yet. But the whole point is to get into the spring spirit, and that is still possible. I am going to put on my little spring playlist, and we're gonna go to the coffee shop. ended up not getting a coffee. I actually got a strawberry smoothie that's frozen because I feel like this screams more spring to me. And also they usually have seasonal drinks, and I was thinking they were gonna have spring drinks, but they really only have St. Patrick's Day drinks, which is still really cool, but I just wasn't craving any of the drinks that they had on there. So I saw the strawberry drink and I was like, okay, you know what? That is very vibrant. Look at this beautiful color, and I love strawberry smoothies, so let's give this a try. Oh my gosh, that is really good. Wow, I really like this. I love going to like little local coffee shops just because I feel like they have more drinks that I'm not really used to, if that makes sense, and I don't know, I'm excited. The next thing I got is a cinnamon roll. It smells so good. They warmed it up and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys. Look at how stinking good that looks. This is actually not for me because I'm allergic to it, but if I could have it, I would eat it in a heartbeat. It's actually for my friend because she loves cinnamon rolls, but it smells so good and I'm very jealous. Now we're off to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Target to do some spring shopping once again. Finished with all the stores, so we're gonna start with Target. First thing I got is granite and stone cleaner. I just did a spring cleaning video, which I'll actually insert a few clips from that because I feel like a big part of spring for me is just getting in the right mindset and getting my apartment clean and organized, because I thrive in a clean and organized, tidied up apartment and space. So I needed to get more of this because I ran out, but I'm gonna insert a few clips of that now. So I did my spring cleaning, and that was honestly what actually got me in the mood to even start thinking about spring, because I've been thinking about summer literally since winter came, but I was just not in like a good head spot. So doing that really actually helped me get into the right space, and now I'm very excited. The next thing I got are strawberries. I want to make chocolate covered strawberries. I got these really pretty spring sprinkles yesterday and they are adorable, so I thought that doing some chocolate covered strawberries and pretzels with maybe like pink or white chocolate and then putting the sprinkles on top was just something that really reminded me of spring, because I like to host a lot of brunches in spring and I usually always have chocolate covered pretzels and strawberries. The last thing I got from Target are flowers. If you know me, you know flowers I buy year round because I absolutely love them and they just make me so happy. These ones really remind me of spring. Look at how pretty these are. I'm obsessed. So I got these because the ones I have at my apartment right now, I've had them for like a week and a half, which honestly they lasted pretty long because they're tulips, and for some reason tulips just don't really last that long, but they honestly lasted a very long time and I am very pleased about it. And I was gonna get more tulips, but Target didn't have any, so I just figured it was fine to get those. I originally wanted to go tulip picking in this video because I'll insert some pictures of me going last year and the year before. It is so fun. There is beautiful tulip farms in New Jersey and they come around every April and May, I believe, and for some reason I thought that they would be open, not really sure why, but since I couldn't do that, I figured that, you know what, it's the thought that counts. I'm gonna get flowers anyway because flowers really do scream blooming and spring and a new chapter, a new season, so I'm really excited about those. I didn't get anything from Home Goods and I actually got no decor because nothing was screaming my name, but I went to TJ Maxx. So the first thing I got is this beautiful flowy dress. Another thing about spring that really reminds me of it is long, beautiful dresses and really just any type of dress and cute colors and stuff like that. So I got this beautiful flowy dress and I'm hosting a brunch and I think this would be perfect to wear at the brunch or something like that. It's beautiful. I can't really show you on camera, but it's so long and I'm obsessed with it. And then going along with that, I got another beautiful colored dress. This is Steve Madden from TJ Maxx. Look at how pretty this is. This again screams spring to me. It's like this beautiful satin purple lavender color and I'm obsessed. So I saw these two things and I was like, okay, that is very springy, very cute. So I got that and I'm very happy about it. Now I'm gonna go home and put my flowers in some water and kind of just relax for a little bit. I am going out to brunch with my friend, which is another thing that I think is kind of fun to do during the spring, especially since the weather is getting warmer. We're going to Tommy's Tavern. It's not really a brunch place. I guess it's like brunch slash lunch, but I love doing that in the springtime and I am going to wear this really pretty yellow dress. So that is just another thing that I'm really excited about and I think it still falls into the category of spring, especially when you see the dress I'm gonna wear because it's stunning. Also with that, I got a compliment in Target about my nails. I have these really pretty green nails on right now, and they're the pastel color. Something about spring just reminds me of pastels, and this lady came up to me and she was like, oh my god, your nails are so pretty. And then the other day at work, I was wearing a green sweater. One of my friends came up to me and she was like, do you know that your nails match your sweater? And I was like, oh my god, I didn't even do that on purpose, but like it was a perfect match, and it just reminded me of, again, spring. Count how many times I say spring in this video, because it's probably a lot. But with that being said, we're gonna go home, we're gonna get ready for lunch, and it's gonna be really fun.
I just put the flowers in the vase and I think it looks so cute. I am obsessed. The colors are so spring, and I don't know, I just like how it looks here. Now I am going to curl my hair. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but I really hope it does, and put on my dress and get ready for lunch. This yellow is making me so happy. I think it's so pastel and screams spring. This dress is from Calvin Klein. I'm gonna wear some Air Forces, and then this necklace I got a while ago. This necklace is Anna's collab with Every Jewels, which I'm obsessed with, and my hair I curled with the Dyson. I am loving this dress. I'm really excited, and I'm starving, so let's go to lunch. Change of plans. I'm actually not going to brunch anymore because my friend can't go anymore, so I'm actually gonna make chocolate covered strawberries. I never do anything to my hair because it literally always falls out the second that I do something to it, and I am trying to figure out why, because when my hairdresser did it recently, it stayed, so I think I'm just doing something wrong, but I don't know. But I don't think it looks bad. I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. I just washed off all of my strawberries, and I have this little bunny waffle maker, and I think I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries and then just some brunch of my own, because I feel like that would be fun. So I'm gonna use this one for chocolate covered strawberries, this for my brunch, and this for my brunch as well. This is from Target, and I think it's gonna be so cute.
I don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be fine. You see something in me, for me it takes time. And I know I got feelings, I know you do too. So let's work on it, gotta make things fit, cause I'm right here for you. No, I don't wanna be tough, I just wanna be here and fall into you. Don't wanna be seen, nobody sees through me the way you do. And I cannot hide, cause you break me down and you ease my mind. My mind. I'm waking up with you, little moments like these. You ask me, do I wanna have kids around? I don't know what that's about, but I want what you want.